Hi everyone, so if you didn't know, I do quite a lot of marketing contract work for clients, specifically in content creation and marketing strategy. And one of the biggest side hustle ideas that I always teach my students that you can start while you're still in school is to start an agency. You see, there's a common misconception, and the thing that holds a lot of people back from starting a business is that, oh, you're too young or you're too inexperienced. But hey, if no one has told you this yet, every single one of you have something to offer. It's just about how you can monetize that skill. One example off the top of my head is social media. If you're in your 20s or your late teens, social media is like second nature to you. It's in your blood. And there are a ton of businesses out there who have been in business for over 10, 20 years who have no clue of how to use social media and how to leverage that for their business. And they're just waiting for someone like you to help them up their social media game. For me, I have little to no coding experience, but yet I'm still able to build websites and sales funnels for my clients. My secret is using a software called ClickFunnels. What I love most about ClickFunnels is the ability to just drag and drop different elements of a website, such as a form or a button or whatever it is, and you're really able to create high converting sales funnels or a beautiful looking website for your clients and for your own business in a matter of minutes. One of the best things about ClickFunnels and why I love them so much is that they always come up with new trainings to help people like me to do our jobs better. And one of the trainings that I just got is the One Funnel Away Challenge. This is a 30-day challenge that will help you become a better marketer and a better funnel builder. It's a 30-day challenge where they guide you step by step on how to build your very first funnel, either for your business or for the clients that you're working with. So I'm super excited to get started on this. I got this box about 2 days ago and I haven't opened it because I want to film it and open it with you. So here's a little unboxing video of the One Funnel Away Challenge by ClickFunnels. Let's go. So this is what it looks like on the inside. We have a super cool quote here. I'm not going to read it because it's super long, but it says that your training officially begins now. We have a little certificate here. So let's go through the products one at a time. So first thing here is this box. I'm not sure what it is. Okay, it's an MP3 player. I'm assuming it has a lot of interviews in here. One other thing that I forgot to mention is that for this challenge, they have a lot of interviews and a lot of guides and tips from people who have used ClickFunnels and have made millions and millions of dollars either for their own businesses or for their clients. So there's a lot of great knowledge in here and a lot of great guidance and tips from people who have actually made it. So a lot of great mentorship and great coaching within this training itself and within ClickFunnels itself. So I'm super excited for that as well. So I'm guessing a lot of the audio clips on this MP3 player will have the interviews or some tips from some of these funnel builders. So this book is called 30 Days, and as I mentioned before, what they did is they interviewed the marketers who have made millions and millions of dollars using the software, and the question that they asked each and every single one of these different marketers was, what would you do if you had lost everything, no name, no fame, no following, no email list? How would you start from the ground up again? And I think that's super helpful in terms of the coaching and mentorship, because chances are a lot of you out there are just starting out your business or just starting out your agency. So it'll be super cool to see how these people who have actually made it and how they would go about doing things from scratch again. So a lot of good knowledge here. Then we have a workbook where I'm guessing every single day you have a task to do within the 30 days of this training. So really cool workbook to write notes and sort of to guide you along the way. And I think this is just a brochure and just a brochure to promote other products. And that's about it, man. Nothing else, just a lot of trash. But yeah, so just a recap. What we have is a brochure, we have fake money, we have a little certificate, we have the MP3 player, we have the workbook to guide you through every day of the 30 days, and the 30 days book. So So if you want to do this challenge as well, I will have the link in the description below. If you ever want to check out ClickFunnels as a software, either for your own business or if you want to start an agency to help other people and help your clients like how I'm doing it, I'll leave a link for a 14-day free trial for ClickFunnels in the description below as well. So thank you very much for watching this video. I know it's kind of different, it's an unboxing video, but if you enjoyed it, make sure you give it a like, make sure you subscribe, and let me know in the description below what software you use to build your following or to help you do better in your work and your business. I'm very curious to find out. Once again, Apologue's vision is to help people around the world to better identify their purpose in life so that they can accelerate their growth and live a more fulfilling life. Once again, my name is James Lau, and I hope that you find your purpose soon.